is ripping.
Why you tell me it hurts?
Pretty good, right back.
Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Brett with Off the Chart Trading. It is Monday, November 15th. Hope everybody did good today. I didn't trade a whole lot. Hit SPY a couple times. I got a bunch of stocks I'm watching. I was up a couple thousand here on a couple penny swings. We got a ICNM. At one point I was up about $3,000 on the TGGI. Closed down about 7,600. Still overall up 65,000 on it. Holding that CZNI. ICNM, SDVI, and AHFD finished up today about 840 on AHFD. Other than that, not much going on. The rest of the pennies that I'm holding, I'm trying to get out of. I don't really care to hold them too much longer. We had some nice moves this morning. Crex was a good one. The MTTR was a good one on the small cap side. Newegg was ripping. Newegg had a really nice break out of the gate. Then it continued after lunchtime. Went on from 15.75 on up to about $20. Cocoa had a nice pop. Saw that on Scanner. Nice move from 15.25 on up here to 18.50. SOPA, I saw that on Scanner too. Nice day. VAXX, not too bad of a morning. 13.50 on up to 16.50s here. SoFi's getting hit right now after hours. Guess that's bad earnings 1 minute ago. Offering on SoFi, I call it SOFI offering, dumping here. Another one had earnings was Clove. Clove had earnings. Offering. I don't like trading offerings. Down 30 cents here. I like shorting them, but take a few days. This was only a 35 million share trade offering. But penny side was a little slow today. Saw a couple things, getting some news, but nothing huge on pennies. I did do the scalps on the. Let me show you the pennies here. Pennies. Here was our pennies. These were only. I filter these out by volume. So owner over 100 trades for the day. That's why you got like 85 here. You got one with 54, 70, 70. I don't pay much attention to them. But top gainer ETEX 17%. FTAG 50%, ECEZ 50%, OCSZ, SC 49%, DPLS was up 32. We trade that one. We trade IMVU. We trade that. I didn't have it scrolled all the way up when I just told you that ETEC was up there. But as you see, ones with the higher volumes are the ones I like to trade. Dark Pulse, DPLS 3,500 trades, and then OCSC 6,500. So anything that's over 500 or 1,000, I like to trade. Puge was up a little bit, 14%. Toner's not too bad, 12%. And HYSR up 12.5%. So not too bad on the penny side. Again, the small cap side for the end of the day is let me see. Right here, GGPI. GGPI had a nice day. BTB was this morning, had a lot of volume today on that. And then got Ford up there, PLTR, Kern, FCell, CGC. I thought those pot stocks were going to run a little bit more than they did today. They rolled over with the market. Clove's now down 33 cents after that offering news. Anyway, I will get off there. Again, SOFI just did an offering, now down $1.11. Upstart got hit pretty good today. UPST 32.46. That was after that we had earnings, had a wedge break down on the earnings. It did have a really nice big move down the other day, last week. I think that was Wednesday. Yeah, Thursday, Friday, Monday. Yeah, and then today, I didn't like the range of this inside bar here. It was a little bigger than what I like to trade. It's like a $30 range, even though it did have an inside bar break to the downside. 246 short. It hit down here 229. It did work, but again, I don't like trading those when they have a huge prior range. Facebook with a nice inside bar continuation from Friday. Really nice breakout Friday, and had another $13 move today, or $10 move. In the pre-market, it was already up, and then it opened at 343, ran up to 353.65. It was up at one point, I think 13 and a half when I looked at it. But a nice day overall on Facebook. Real nice move out of the gate. That trade was over by about 10 o'clock. Another one was Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree was crazy today. Dollar Tree had a really nice breakout. Had a gap up. It was around the 119, 120 range. Opened here at 121.41. Ripped on up to 132. That was flagged on the dark pool scanner. Another one was Boeing. Boeing was on dark pools all morning. Boeing had the same setup. And had a big gap. Opened right here. The low on the open was 226.92. First rip on up here to 231, and then it had a high of 233.92 or 94. So not a bad day at all on Boeing too. Energy, we looked at energy. I went to lunch. Before I went to lunch, energy was up about 18 cents. Had noontime here had a really nice reversal on energy, 57.50s on up to 58.35. Real nice reversal on energy. Top energy was CVX today. It was all-time highs. It is hitting all-time highs after hours here. So Chevron, here's a 1-year chart. Chevron did hit all-time highs several times today. So nice play there. Chevron, Phillips 66 was up. Powell's hitting scanner there. Powell's on a high here after hours with great earnings, up 55 cents. Not huge, but nice play. Now 58 cents. Mara was down. Mara had dark flow to the downside. Mara got beat up pretty bad. Mara is down $21 here after hours, but it started in the morning. It just got murdered. That's a really big move for Mara. Did not have an inside bar break. Friday had an inside bar break up. We traded it to the upside, and then today now under Friday's low, I would have shorted it here had I seen this at the time, 67.50s. I like shorting the highs and lows from the previous day, but nice move on Mara. Riot kind of hung in there for a while, and then it rolled over. We had on a biotech side, Regeneron's up 16.53. Had a nice day. BNTX had a nice move today, and usually Moderna and NVAX follow that. So nice little gap up, pull back, not a bad pullback, and nice range to enter here. 240s area, went on up to 252 for the high day. But overall good day. I didn't trade a whole lot, like I said. I did catch this SPY move, a couple trades on the SPY, caught that big flush, that real nice flush down. What I was looking at on the SPY was hitting, we had an inside bar Thursday, broke out up to the upside. We did open over Friday's high this morning, and we kind of rolled over pretty quick. Here about 11:30 we rolled over. But what I was looking at was a Globex session here, overnight session. This was Friday, and then we kind of fiddled around here. In the pre-market, we gapped up to here, 468.40s, right? We pulled, I was telling everybody, this morning, be careful of the old gap and crap. That's what we had. And we had a gap, ripped up here, and then we opened and flushed all the way back down to the gap fill here. So we did get to the gap fill, but you kind of got this flag going on here, and you have you got this flag build now here. You did have a test, come back here and test and failed. So I trade the highs and lows again from overnight sessions. This was from pre-market or aftermarket on Friday, right when we hit it. We tested here, we came back and tested and failed immediately. Had a real nice $2 flush here. So nice area for puts. We did get that double bottom in. No trading on the volume profile here at all. So real nice double bottom here. Momentum did not shift quick enough for me to hop in immediately. So, but I hopped in a little. I caught this candle a little bit late, just because of the momentum shift that I was looking at. The 10-minute was a little cleaner, and I think 15 was even cleaner. You can see it on the other chart on the right. But yeah, here's a momentum shift here. We had already bounced right here. Just the next candle, it had started moving already on the momentum shift. Had a little bit of positive divergence, not much and it also didn't come through the zero line, so it was just a scalp for me. I nailed it short, nailed it long for about a $600 day. I didn't trade much again today. So anyway, yeah, if you guys want to follow us on Facebook at Off the Chart Trading, or you can hit our website up at offthecharttrading.com, or message Nick or myself or Ed and see if you're interested in knowing what we do, following us on the live chat room or on Slack app, where we do a lot of alerts as well. But overall, good day. Green is good, so I was just watching Lucid move after hours. A lot of guys in Lucid in the group here. Lucid did have a nice breakout after hours. 45 it started. It did hit 48. Pulling back a little bit here now, back around 46, but nice little rip after hours on their earnings call, and saying I think they're going to do 19,000 vehicle order they have pre-ordered already or something like that. Yeah, 13,000 reservations already for vehicles in Q3. So orders rose 30% in third quarter. So it's pretty good. But anyway, all right, guys, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Again, hit us up Off the Chart Trading on Facebook or offthecharttrading.com on the website. Thanks.